Talk about snoring.
Oh. My grandma's snoring. Sometimes she laughs. She's really sweet. Sometimes I say, why are you laughing? Where? She's like, Maria. But she doesn't say anything. Okay? Sometimes she farts in her sleep. Whoever's behind her and she's laying like this, bad luck for you. You just have to run out of the room. She's gonna say, if you don't survive,
I feel bad for you.
but she says, she gives us a warning. I got gas. And then she just... So we have to run out the room before we die. Some people just... There's a whole bunch of green in the room. You can see gas of green. Exactly. So you have to dive out of the door. So you're in the room. You gotta